Hey everyone, today we are going to see how to add a toast message inside of a LWR site. Here's an example of the LWR site, and here I have my toast message that loads every time the user accesses the page. So basically this video is going to show how to add this message, which is very easy. So let's do it. Okay, so I will close this page here. And I will remove the component here to make that start from 0. Okay, so first thing you need to do is install the EvoluteMessage. Once you install the EvoluteMessage, you're going to have a dashboard. You can search here for the EvoluteMessage, and then it's going to open the dashboard. Then you click Add Message, choose the type of the message. For LWR, for now, we have only these two available. So we're going to choose here the toast, and I will give that a name, which is going to call LWR demo view 1. And then you can double click here. You can change the text if you want. I'm going to leave that for default. And then you have to tell the system what is the target page you want to render this. In our case, it's going to be a LWR digital experience page. And then once you have done that, and I think we're good. So once you click publish, so your message is ready to be used. So now you can go to the LWR Builder page, click on components, search for Evm, and you're going to see the component here. You can drag and drop that anywhere. That should show up here. It doesn't matter where you drag because it's a pop-up in the end. So then you select the component. You're going to see these two options here, the options that you have created. I will choose the view 1 that I just created. It's going to render here, but this is because it's on the builder. That's fine. That's my message that I want to render. So I will remove this because I don't want to see that all the time. And close this. And if I preview now, I should see my message here. And that's it. That was very easy. So as you can see, the message disappeared. I have other options here for the message, stay if I want. But basically you can use other templates, and as we are using the advanced message, you can basically use all the filters, events, everything that we have for the advanced message, and that would render here as well. I just changed the message to a stick, so it's sticky now here. If I want the message actually to show as a banner here, I can go back here and just change that to be a banner, which is the inline message. So that's gonna stretch that, and if I publish, so now if I reload here, it's gonna show that as just a banner. So I'm still here on the admin side, right? So now how does that work for the end user? So for the end user, so that first I need to publish. So let's make that available for the end user. And my end user here is a logged in user. So I want to show that for the logged in user. So how can I do that? So if here I have a user called Lucy. If I access the Lightning page, LWR page with this user, it should not work because this user basically needs a permission. So as you can see here, the message did not load. If you open the developer console, you are going to see an error here as well. So this is our log. We're going to see an error here saying that the user does not have access to the component. So that's one way of troubleshoot. So basically, what you need is to add the permission for the user to see our EvoluteMessage object. So how do we do that? So just go to the user and add our permission set called EvoluteMessage show message. And once we have that, so now we just go to the user again, and logging into the digital experience. And the user should be able to see the banner. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to go to EvoluteMessage. So we do have documentation about the LWR pages. You can go here, documentation, and we have this LWR page digital experience, which is going to explain how it works, and also the limitations that we have, which is we currently do not support flow yet, neither the dynamic buttons. So if you want to implement those, please let me know here. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. I will be happy to help. Have a great day.